Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Tuesday, October 8th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello Pythons, we have some important news.
This is a message from Miami-Dade County Public Schools. All schools and district operations will be closed on Wednesday, October 9th, 2024, due to weather projections indicating potentially hazardous conditions that could impact safe travel and the well-being of students and our workforce. The safety of all is our top priority. Stay informed by visiting storms.dadeschools.net. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay safe, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow, more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Python!